Are you tired of all these money-making methods that don't work? Do you feel like you've tried everything and you still didn't make any money? Well, this new method might be for you. It doesn't require much work and is effective. You can see results instantly. So I encourage you to stay with me to the end because in today's video I will explain this method step by step. This method is absolutely free, and if you do it correctly, you can make a lot of money. Throughout this video, I will be giving you valuable tips on how to increase your earnings so you can make as much money as possible. Make sure to stay with me to the end. So without further ado, let's get into this method. So these are the things that you will need for this method. You will need a device with internet connection, which I assume you already have and are using it to watch this video. It can be a laptop, computer, or even your phone. Let me know in the comments which device you use. Okay, this is all you need. And do you know what you won't need? You will not need experience, you will not need money, you don't even need that much time. If you do it correctly, you can make your first money in a few minutes. Okay, so for this method we will be using 3 websites. But don't worry, this method is really simple and I will explain to you step by step. So make sure you pay close attention to what I'm saying. Now let's go to the first step. The first website is Clickbank. Maybe there are some of you who have already tried to make money with this website but didn't see any results. But please don't click off because I'm gonna show you a free trick how to make your first money with this website. For those who don't know, Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace when you can get paid for selling other people's products. I know that some of you might get discouraged by the idea of affiliate marketing, but today I will show you an effective and free way to promote these products. Clickbank is a legit website and there are a lot of people who made good money selling their products. As you can see, this method is available in over 200 countries, so you can make good money in basically any country in the world. They also paid out over $4 billion. Imagine how much money this is. Okay, so this was a quick overview. I encourage you to visit this website and to read about it yourself. So if you already have an account, you can log in the top right corner. If you don't have an account, click sign up and this is what happens. You will be taken to this page. So here you choose your